Katie's sing-along.
A is for artist, painting so bright. B is for baker, working through the night. C is for chef, cooking up a treat. D is for dentist, keeping teeth neat.
E is for engineer, building a train. F is for farmer, growing food in the rain. G is for gardener, planting flowers so sweet. H is for hairdresser, making styles neat. I is for inventor, with ideas to share. J is for journalist, writing stories with care. K is for karate teacher, strong and fast. L is for librarian, finding books that last.
M is for musician, playing a song. N is for nurse, helping all day long. O is for optometrist, checking your eyes. P is for pilot, flying through the skies.
Q is for quilt maker, sewing with pride. R is for racer, on a fast ride. S is for scientist, making things new. T is for teacher, guiding me and you.
U is for Uber driver, taking us near. V is for veterinarian, for pets we hold dear. W is for rider, creating a tale. X is for X-ray tech, checking a scale.
Y is for yacht captain, steering with care. Z is for zookeeper, feeding animals rare.